If you're tired of getting home at 6 p.m., staring into your fridge, and realizing dinner just isn't happening unless you order takeout, this might be the simplest fix you've been overlooking. For busy families, meal preppers, or anyone feeding a crowd without losing their sanity, the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker is one of those old-school kitchen tools that still earns its counter space. This is the classic, no-frills slow cooker. No Wi-Fi, no touchscreens, no complicated programming. Just a big 7-quart oval pot with high, low, and warm settings that's built to handle large meals with almost no effort. And honestly, that simplicity is kind of the point. Let's start with size because that's the headline feature here. 7 quarts is generous. Crock-Pot says it can serve 9 or more people, and that tracks. You can comfortably fit a 7-pound roast in here, a full batch of chili for game day, or enough shredded chicken to meal prep lunches for the week. If you got a family of 5 or more, or you host friends regularly, this capacity makes a noticeable difference compared to smaller 4 or 5-quart models. You're not cramming ingredients in and hoping the lid still closes. The oval shape also matters more than you'd think. It's ideal for larger cuts of meat that wouldn't sit flat in a round slow cooker. Roasts, whole chickens, even racks of ribs fit more naturally, which means more even cooking and less awkward trimming just to make dinner fit. In terms of build quality, this is pretty much what you expect from a traditional crock pot. The exterior is stainless steel with black plastic handles and a simple dial on the front. It's not flashy, but it looks clean and neutral enough to leave out on the counter. The handles feel sturdy and don't flex when the pot is full, though you'll definitely want 2 hands when you're moving it, especially with 7 quarts of hot food inside. Inside, you've got a removable stoneware insert. It's thick, solid, and holds heat well. That's one of the reasons slow cookers like this produce such tender results. The heat wraps gently around the ceramic, cooking food low and slow over several hours. And once it's done, the stoneware retains warmth nicely, especially when you switch it to the warm setting for serving. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Slow cookers are all about consistency, and this one does exactly what it's supposed to. On low, it simmers gently for all-day cooking, perfect if you're leaving it on while you're at work. On high, it speeds things up if you started later than planned. It's not fast in the traditional sense, but that's not the goal. The goal is hands-off cooking that turns tough cuts of meat into fork-tender dinners without babysitting. Noise level? Basically non-existent. There's no fan, no beeping, no mechanical sounds. Once it's on, it just quietly does its thing. For open concept homes, or anyone working from home, that's actually a small but meaningful benefit point. One of the biggest selling points here is the set it and forget it factor. You add your ingredients, turn the dial, and walk away. There's no complicated programming or timer math. For some people, that manual simplicity is actually preferable to digital models. Fewer electronics usually means fewer things that can fail over time. Cleanup is also refreshingly simple. The stoneware insert lifts right out, and both the insert and the glass lid are dishwasher safe. And because it's true one-pot cooking, you're not juggling multiple pans. Brown your meat separately if you want, toss everything in, and you're done. For busy parents or anyone trying to cut down on dishes, that's a real win. If your biggest pain point is time and you're tired of scrambling for dinner ideas at the end of the day, this is one of the easiest kitchen upgrades you can make. It won't cook faster than a pressure cooker, but it will make your evenings a whole lot calmer. That if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, research-backed kitchen reviews. And if you want to check current pricing or read more user reviews, there's a link in the description. If you're going to make weeknight dinners easier, this might be the simplest way to start.